Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo from scratch. This video is especially made for people who are trying to learn how to create a basic logo, or for those who are on a budget and they want to create the logo themselves for their own company. So I'm going to show you how you can create a basic typography logo just using Canva free elements. So I will not be using any pro elements. This will all be completely free and you can do this from your phone as well. So let's begin. You will first start by creating a design, and I'm going to choose the 1080 cross 1080 pixels. So you're going to use a square canvas to start off your logo. I have designed my own channel logo using this typography effect, and I will leave a few more examples of the logos right here so you guys can see that you can create this in just a few minutes using Canva. So you're going to start off by going to the text section, and here select this option of add a heading, and we're just going to type in the C letter. So I'm going to recreate my channel logo, and you can do this with the alphabets for your own company. Next, we're going to change the font to Gabriel Sans. And here you're going to expand the Gabriel Sans option and select the bold option right here. Next, I'm going to increase it in size, and we're going to place it in the center and make sure your text is aligned. Next, what you're going to do is go to the element section, and here you're going to select this square shape. We are going to change the square shape color to a background which is white. Then in the position option, in the layers option, you're going to place this above the letter C and move it back so that your C looks like this. It has been cut off in half for now. Again, you're going towards the elements option, select another square. This time go towards the shape option, and here I'm going to select the shape that looks like this. So you have a slanted edge at the end, as you can see in my logo. We are going to reduce this in size since we're going to place it at the end of our letter C, like right here. So scale it down. So as you can see, I have created a slanted edge at the top. Now we're just going to copy this shape, and in the shapes option, we're going to turn the slanted edge the other way around. And now you're going to place it at the bottom. Make sure that both your edges are aligned, and a line will appear giving you an indication that the edges are now aligned. So this is how I have created the letter C. Now moving on towards the next letter, just select your C alphabet, press the Ctrl+D command, which is the duplicate command, and type in the letter E. Now we're going to place it centrally, increase it just a little in size so it matches with where the C ends. Next, what I'm going to do is go in the position option, and we're going to duplicate our square with the Ctrl+D command. And I'm going to remove this part of the letter E. Ctrl+D and remove this part of the letter E again. The next thing we're going to do is duplicate this part and convert it the color into white. And we're going to place it right here. Again, at the bottom, duplicate it and change the color to white. So as you can see, we have created a letter E as well. So now what I'm going to do is just duplicate this entire E letter again and place it because it has a double E in the logo. The next thing that I'm going to do is go to the elements section, take a square, then choose the exact dimension of this line in the center of E and increase it on the other side so it aligns with the C right here. the edges of the sea. Duplicate this and place it right here. The next thing we're going to do is select one of our backgrounds and expand it like this. So now you have your C and double E right here. The last thing that I'm going to do, just to tweak it a little bit, is go to the position option and select our main box, background box from here, Ctrl+D command, and reduce the E just by a little. Now I'm going to place all of this right in the center of our design. So as you can see, this is what the logo right now looks like. Now if you want to change the colors of any of these, for example, in my logo, this is a gradient color, you can do it like this. So this part is the and the next thing that you can do, which is very easy, is just duplicate this and place it right here, and you can position it in the arrange option backward. You're done doing that. Since you've changed the color of the middle E, you can choose to remove the E right here. And this is what your design is going to look like for now. The next step is to share, and you're going to download it, with the white background intact. Just press the download button. I'm going to add another page to this logo file, and now you're going to upload the design that you just downloaded. So now the last step that we're going to do is just to show you that this has a background. I'm going to change the background and we're going to edit the photo, and here we're going to press the background remover option. So as you can see, you have now generated a logo that is in PNG, and you can literally place it on any color background that you want. So since the logo that I have designed is on a white background, I'm going to convert it back to white. The next option, and this completely depends on you if you want to choose this option, is to add your company name right at the bottom. So I'm going to tweak it just a little. We're going to convert it to an uppercase, and I'm going to use a modern font by the name of Glacial Indifference. You can choose any font you want, but if you want to put like a tagline or the name of your company, make sure to choose a modern font. And now I'm just going to make the second part bold. Just increase the size a little and increase the letter spacing by 79 or 80, and just put this at the center of your logo. Now this next part, again, it depends if you want to use this option or not. If you want to make a circular logo, all you have to do is go to the elements option. I'm going to select a circle, position it at the back of your logo, and make sure that your logo is placed centrally on the circle. The last thing we're going to do is search for shadow in elements, and here I'm going to select this option. Increase it in size so that it covers your background completely, just like this. And I'm going to duplicate it to maximize the effect. And the last thing we're going to do is go towards the position, select your black circle that you have placed at the background, and I'm going to turn it back into a white color. So as you can see, now you have generated a cool logo typography style, and you can do this with any alphabets of your choice, and it's very easy to create. The thing about creating logos on Canva is that you can now export it or download it in the form of a PNG. So after you exported your logo with a PNG option and a transparent background option, you can use the picture-in-picture option on your videos or on your graphics, and you can place your logo anywhere you want with a transparent background. So this is an easy tutorial if you want to create a typographic logo on Canva for free completely, and even as a beginner you can do this. If you're interested in more logo designs, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.